Hi guys! So before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you to all our viewers. We hope you're having a wonderful day, and I just wanted to let you know we haven't been able to post a lot because the cable and internet and even their phone internet and phones were not in service or didn't have very good service, so it was difficult to upload anything. But we have a lot of awesome videos coming your way. We're about to leave for a trip, so let's show you guys a bit of the end of the hurricane and the aftermath, and then we'll post some really fun and awesome videos after that. Here we go. Okay, it is now, what day is it? I lost track. It's all a big blur. Today is Tuesday. Still raining a little bit, not as hard as it was, but it's pretty much constant today.
For us.
Yeah, for us here in Spring, which is North Houston. We're still doing great here. We're just stuck in the house, but grateful for all that we have. We have food, we have water, we have power still. We don't have cable and internet, but that's okay. We can do without, right?
No.
We're just praying for everybody that's been affected. Say hi.
Hi.
Stop trying to video bomb me. We're just praying for everybody that's been affected by the hurricane that's still causing us some rain. Nerd alert. Anyway, we're barbecuing. We're gonna have some lunch and just keep on hanging out like we've been. That's about it.
Mommy.
Alright, so we are making some lunch. Got our fries going on.
And they're making pretty patties.
And you're making what?
Pretty patties.
Ooh.
Kumba.
Okay. And we got some burgers all set. What you guys making?
Chocolate milk. I barely do this.
I know, not very often, huh? We're gonna have chocolate milk and Rice Krispies in a sec. Look at these.
This only happens like
Yum. We're gonna go take a little drive around now. It is about 6 o'clock on Tuesday. I got it, sweetie. So we're gonna go. Oops, sorry guys, I'm not looking at you. I'm trying to lock the door. Okay, so we're gonna go take a drive around just to see if some of our streets are opened up, because everything looks it's looking a little bit better. The creek behind us, you can't even see the water anymore, and there's people outside walking. We saw the sun. I see some blue sky. This is so exciting.
Tell me you guys could get somebody out here ASAP to get this installed and going. I just, cause I gotta be able to walk.
It's amazing to see. It's really out. So exciting to be out and about. There's cars on the road.
The sun is shining.
The sun is even shining at us. And there's
finally.
blue sky showing. This is so nice. These railroad tracks right here that we're coming up to were underwater yesterday. We're about to drive over them. It's usually really deep right there with no water, but it's full of water right now.
That's fine.
This church parking lot is flooded.
I think Sunday is the 4th
Target's closed. We can't go
or the
browse.
3rd. I don't know. But anyways, I'm only gonna be in
Everything is
town.
still closed.
Yeah, Sunday is the 3rd. I'll be in town. I leave Sunday. I won't be back until the 10th.
Hi guys.
TJ Maxx is now open.
Well, if that's the only thing that you can do, but honestly, if it would be a big win for you guys if you could. It was cresting over this bridge.
I can't wait to hang out with you. Want to find out how you can win a shopping spree with me? Keep it here on the station. That's about to bring you some cereal.
All of this was underwater yesterday. This is right where the kids were playing in the water yesterday. Now it's completely Alright, so we are leaving CVS. It's now Wednesday evening, and this is how we get out and find entertainment right now, because Target and everywhere else is still closed due to the hurricane. So we came to CVS because we know they're open, and we looked at their toys and makeup and whatever else we could find. How sad.